18 people have lost their lives in the stampede at New Delhi railway station. We continue to get you the latest. Now, the death toll from the stampede at New Delhi railway station has risen to 18, including 14 women and 3 children, according to Delhi police. The stampede occurred late Saturday night on platforms 14 and 15 as a massive crowd gathered to board trains to Prayagraj, where the Mahakumbh is taking place. Acting Chief Minister Atishi confirmed that 15 people were brought dead to Lok Nayak Jayaprakash Hospital, while nearly 15 others are undergoing treatment. Eyewitnesses described chaotic scenes with passengers fainting due to suffocation. Officials say the station became overcrowded and uncontrollable as over 1,500 general tickets were being issued every hour. Multiple delayed trains added to the congestion, triggering the deadly stampede near an escalator at platform 16 around 9:55 p.m. Prime Minister Modi, in a post on platform X, expressed grief over the tragedy, saying he was distressed by the incident and prayed for the speedy recovery of the injured. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh also called it a devastating loss of lives. Rescue operations were launched immediately with fire tenders and emergency teams rushing to the scene. Survivors described heartbreaking moments. One passenger said his mother lost her life in the chaos, while others spoke of people collapsing in front of them as they struggled to escape the crowd. Meanwhile, compensation has been announced as is being distributed to the affected families. 10 lakh to the families of the deceased and 2.5 to those seriously injured, while 1 lakh has been announced for those who have suffered minor injuries. Authorities looking into control measures and Northern Railway officials there have confirmed that special trains are being deployed to ease congestion. Listen to a couple of reactions.
लोग प्लेटफॉर्म पे उतरे नहीं थे, हम लोग सीढ़ी से नीचे उतर रहे थे तो धक्का धुक्की में हम लोग नीचे आ गए। उसके बाद जितने भी सारे पीछे वाले थे सब हमारे नीचे ऊपर आ गए सारे, हम लोग दबे हुए थे। आप लोग कितने लोग थे? हम लोग 12-13 लोग थे। अच्छा, फिर क्या हुआ? बताए तो सर कि हम लोग धक्का धुक्की पीछे से हुआ तो हम लोग गिर गए और जितनी भी सारी भीड़ थी सारे हम लोग के ऊपर आ गए। वहाँ पे कोई नहीं, कोई प्रशासन नहीं, कोई सुविधा नहीं, कोई सेफ्टी नहीं।
हम लोग 12 लोग करीब जा रहे थे, कुंभ के लिए जा रहे थे, प्रयाग के लिए, लेकिन हम ये रात को 10:10 की ट्रेन थी, प्रयाग एक्सप्रेस, लेकिन हम तो प्लेटफार्म तक पहुंच ही नहीं पाए, पहले ही जीने पर ही डेथ हो गई।
ये जो कुछ भी यहाँ भगदड़ मची थी इसमें प्रशासन का ही हम दोष देंगे, क्योंकि भीड़ काफी इतनी भीड़ थी जो उन लोग से भीड़ ना रोकने के लिए कोई आए। जब इतना होने के बावजूद भी हमने बीएसएफ वाले को बहुत ज्यादा रिक्वेस्ट किया, सर ऐसी ऐसी बात है, मर जाएगी, कोई हमको हेल्प चाहिए, हेल्प दीजिए लेकर के। उन लोगों ने नहीं, फिर 100 नंबर पे हमने बात किया, 100 नंबर पे किया तो ये 1 घंटे पौन घंटे होगा लेट। उस टाइम हमारी सिस्टर ठीक थी, श्वास चल रहा था, जब तक वो बेचारे आए, बहुत मेहनत किए जो दिल्ली पुलिस वाले हैं, वो लेकर आए लेकिन खत्म हो गया।
हम लोग प्रयागराज महाकुंभ जा रहे थे, 16 नंबर प्लेटफार्म उस राजमेरी गेट के साइड से चढ़े, ऊपर जा रहे थे, भीड़ काफी हो गई, भीड़ की वजह से आगे बढ़ते बढ़ते जाके नीचे मतलब जिस 14 नंबर प्लेटफार्म पर उतर रहे थे उस टाइम काफी भगदड़ टाइप की मतलब मची, भीड़ ऊपर से नीचे और नियंत्रित लोड नहीं रहा होगा और ऐसा हो गया। बस
ट्रेन लगल था 14 नंबर पर, वही उतर रहे थे तो ऊपर सब प्रेशर मारा, सब नीचे वाले सब फुटबॉल सब नीचे गिर गया और ये सब हम अलग हो गए, वो अलग हो गए, हम तो नीचे कैसे बच के निकल के नीचे कूद गए थे। तो फिर हम थोड़ा देर रुके, देखे भीड़ अभी होगा कम होते होते देखे हल्का कम हो तो एकदम चढ़ के देखे सब चपाल था। फिर हम देखे इन्होंने देखे तो देखे मामी उन्हें जाके आराम से चपाल के थी सुतल एकदम पूरा, तो हम घिसटते बाहर निकाले, देखे पूरा सांस थोड़ा थोड़ा चल रहा था। फिर यहाँ ले चले हॉस्पिटल, दम तोड़ दिए एम्बुलेंस में।
ना कोई ट्रेन कैंसिल की गई थी और ना ही किसी ट्रेन का प्लेटफॉर्म बदला गया था। देखिए, मैं आपसे फिर बताऊं, अभी कुछ भी इस पर कुछ भी कमेंट करना जल्दीबाजी होगी। इस घटना की जांच उस स्तरीय समिति द्वारा की जा रही है, तो लेट दैट कमेटी गिव द रिपोर्ट एंड गिव देयर फाइंडिंग्स। अभी प्लेटफॉर्म पर स्थिति पूरी तरह सामान्य है, सभी ट्रेन अपने सामान्य समय से चल रही हैं।
Let's now take a look at how it all unfolded. Massive rush due to Mahakumbh travel platforms 12, 13, 14 and 15 became overcrowded. 2 delayed trains worsened the congestion. Reports suggest 1,500 general tickets were sold. Crowd became uncontrollable. The stampede triggered near platform 16 escalator. The rescue teams and fire tenders were rushed to the spot. Passengers fainted due to suffocation and panic. Death toll rises to 18, including 14 women and 3 children. And a compensation also has been announced for victims' families. Meanwhile, let's also understand what actually went wrong. Now, overcrowding due to Mahakumbh travel rush, multiple delayed trains led to passenger influx. Around 1,500 general tickets were sold per hour, and of course, lack of crowd management measures. Escalator near platform 16 became a choke point, and panic and suffocation triggered stampede. The inadequate emergency response at the station, and passengers pushed and trampled in the chaos. As I mentioned earlier as well, a compensation has been announced. 10 lakh compensation for the families of the deceased, 2.5 for seriously injured, and 1 lakh compensation for those who suffered minor injuries. But viewers, the big questions remain. Why was crowd control inadequate? Why weren't additional staff deployed for crowd management? Why general tickets were sold in such a large number? Were railway authorities unprepared for the rush? Why was there a lack of emergency protocols? Were platforms overcrowded beyond capacity? Were the passengers informed about train delays properly? Should special trains have been arranged earlier? Could better ticketing regulations have prevented this? These are some of the questions that still remain unanswered. Stampede at the New Delhi railway station on Saturday claimed the lives of 18 people, including 9 women and 5 children, with many injured. Let's quickly go across to my colleague Yash Goyal, who joins us live from the spot. Yash, what's the scene like at the station right now? You know, has there been any word from officials on why crowd management failed so disastrously?
Well, Neha, as we speak, you can see high-ranking police officials from Delhi Police have arrived at the New Delhi railway station. In fact, this is part of the investigation which is being done by Delhi Police. In fact, Delhi Police Special CP Robin Hibu is here, in fact, taking stock of this very situation. He's here with other senior officials from the Northern Railway. Right now, you can see in these visuals deliberations happening amongst the officials on the ground, trying to understand what went wrong yesterday night at around 10 p.m. A lot of questions still needs to be answered, and that is why the officials right now are moving pillar to post to gather as much as they can to submit this very report to the highest authorities. As I mentioned, the Union Railway Minister also met Home Minister Amit Shah, giving him the details of the very stampede which took place last night here at New Delhi railway station. You can see now, we'll try and get in a word from the officials as well who are present over here. But the worrying thing is, the eyewitnesses, the way they narrate the story is absolutely horrific. Just to hear and to talk about those visuals is one thing, but getting to understand the situation from the people who were there last night is absolutely something which will break anyone's heart. They say that there was a point when a lot of people were trying to help each other, but they couldn't, as there were a lot of crowd which were hindering them to get to the other side of this very road. You can see right now, police officials are talking to the media. We'll try and take in a word what is being said here.
अभी शुरुआत है और जैसे ये सारे प्रोसेस कंप्लीट हो जाएंगे सर
ऐसा बताया जा रहा है कि प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 16 पे इन्फॉर्मेशन दी गई थी कि प्लेटफॉर्म चेंज करने के लिए इन्फॉर्मेशन दी गई थी। क्या प्लेटफॉर्म चेंज करने की कोई ऐसी अनाउंसमेंट हुई थी?
अभी सारी बातें जांच के दौरान आएगी अभी कुछ हम नहीं कहेंगे।
क्या आप लोगों ने सीसीटीवी कैमरास को सिक्योर देखा सर? आपने स्कैन किया?
स्टोर कर लिए सीसीटीवी फुटेज हम लोगों ने।
बदलाव क्या किया गया है व्यवस्था में?
कुछ चेंजेस सर, सिक्योरिटी अरेंजमेंट्स क्या बीफ अप है सर? सिक्योरिटी अरेंजमेंट क्या बीफ अप है?
एक सेकंड इस मामले में क्या
सर? अरे आप 10 सेकंड मतलब क्या सर? सर
कोई एफआईआर फाइल हुई है क्या? इस मामले में कोई एफआईआर फाइल हुई है अभी तक?
अभी हमारा सारा
आईजी साहब, आरपीएफ की कमी बताई जा रही है रेलवे स्टेशन पर। आरपीएफ की पर्याप्त
इसके लिए सारे साक्ष्य हम लोग देख रहे हैं, साइट का निरीक्षण कर रहे हैं, सीसीटीवी फुटेज हमने स्टोर कर लिया है। ये सब चीजों में आकलन करने के बाद, जांच करने के बाद
दिल्ली पुलिस की क्या आपने मदद ली है इसमें? दिल्ली पुलिस ने क्या
सर
सहायता
फोर्स
की
की
है?
कमी
Sympathetically
थी, आप मानते हैं कि फोर्स की कमी थी यहाँ पर?
अभी जांच के बाद
सर अभी फोर्स आपने बढ़ाया गया है सर? फोर्स बढ़ाया गया
Well, Neha, he was the IG of the railway police force. In fact, he's on the ground along with other senior officials as well. As I told you, this is the very staircase where that incident unfolded yesterday. And this was the very platform where the train was standing, and the other side was the one where the people were waiting for the other train to reach here so that they can depart to their respective locations. But what transpired yesterday was absolutely horrific. You can see now there is an increased police deployment, but eyewitnesses categorically say that the deployment of police wasn't enough when the stampede happened. Back to you.
Right, and you know, what are the passengers really saying? Is there anger, fear, or just shock over what has happened?
Well, absolutely, Neha. The passengers are shocked, and apart from the passengers, the people who are here on the railway station, they are also, we have to understand that New Delhi railway station is perhaps one of the VIP railway stations across a northern range of railway networks. Just imagine this morning only Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla came back from Kumbh, and in fact he left his train on this very station only. So you can understand there is a lot of VIP movement also which happens on this station, and absolutely everyone is in absolute shock exactly what transpired over there at this very point last night. I'll give you a quick stroll of this place. You can see, Neha, where we are standing, these are platform number 14 and 15. Across the street is platform number 16. This was also one of the stations where the rush was actually gushing in during the peak hours to board their trains. So now the police is investigating this entire matter. Various committees have been set up by the government. Ashwini Vaishnav meeting Home Minister Amit Shah in this very matter also is very important development, because 18 innocent lives have been lost, and the accountability needs to be established exactly who is responsible for what transpired here at around 10 p.m. yesterday. Tickets were distributed at a very humongous range, 1,500 tickets per hour. Knowing the kind of capacity this station has, that also needs to be looked at. In fact, other thing which the eyewitnesses says and the family members of the deceased say, they say that there was a lot of confusion regarding different trains. They were saying they were receiving updates regarding the updation of the platforms of the trains, but they were not able to get to their respective platforms because a lot of misinformation was also peddling at that very time. So those 10 to 15 minutes must be very horrific on the ground, and the remnants of that very stampede was still there few minutes back. Now the officials have actually swept away all the slippers, all the cloth pieces we were able to see from the top of this very staircase.
Right, Yash, and very quickly, if you can also tell us what is the condition of the injured. Do we have any information on that front?
Well, Neha, the injured are being treated at the LNJP hospital here in the national capital. There are two updates. The injured are being treated, and in fact the condition is said to be stable as of now. This is as per the sources from the LNJP hospital. And on the other hand, there were a lot of mortal remains which were also brought to this very hospital. So those bodies have been dispatched to different locations. In fact, what we are also hearing from our sources is that around 4 to 5 bodies were sent to a different hospital for post-mortem, and then the post-mortem has been completed and their bodies have been handed over to their loved ones.
Right, thank you very much, Yash, for joining us with all of those important insights. In fact, we also have a couple of reactions coming in. Let's quickly cut across.
मेरी मम्मी थे।
क्या हुआ था?
ये भागदड़ हुआ था। हाँ, उसी में वो दब गए।
एक मिनट, आराम से।
उनसे उनका मौत हो गया।
किसकी मौत हो गई है?
मेरी मम्मी थे।
आपकी मम्मी थी कहाँ? आप लोग क्या प्रयागराज ही जा रहे थे?
नहीं जी, हम अपने घर जा रहे
डॉक्टर ने
थे।
क्या बोला आपसे?
वो डेथ हो गई है।
डेथ हो गई डॉक्टर ने बोला या आप बता रहे हैं?
नहीं, डॉक्टर बताया।
उसी भगदड़ में?
हाँ जी।
अंदर बहुत लोग कटे, दब के मरे हैं। कोई प्रशासन कुछ नहीं है, जो साले भेड़ बकरी की तरह मरा जा रहा है। कोई प्रशासन कोई नहीं है। बहुत गंदा स्थिति है। रेलवे पुलिस की बहुत ही कोई सुरक्षा नहीं है। लोग मर रहे हैं, कट रहे हैं, उठा के फेंक रहे हैं। कोई कुछ नहीं बता नहीं सकता आपको रेलवे के बारे में, बता नहीं सकते। प्रशासन तो बहुत ही गंदा है, बहुत ही गंदा।
मतलब सब चढ़ रहा था ना, उन्हें बढ़िया कुंभ मेला के है ना मेला सब, वही सब चढ़ रहा हुआ। एगो एनएस चढ़ रहा, ऊपर से नीचे वही सब में हो गया।
अच्छा,
वही सब
पुलिस नहीं थी, आरपीएफ नहीं थी वहाँ पे?
पुलिस कुछ नहीं था।
कोई नहीं था वहाँ पे?
कोई नहीं था।
तो ट्रेन में जब चढ़ रहे थे भीड़ को वहाँ मैनेज करने के लिए कोई पुलिस वाला नहीं था?
कोई नहीं था, सब और चढ़ रहा था आदमी पब्लिक।
All right, moving on now. The announcement of a sharp increase in Bengaluru metro fares has left commuters frustrated, resulting in a significant dip in ridership since the announcement. The Bengaluru metro has seen a sharp drop in ridership this week, and the numbers will tell you the story. On Tuesday, the 11th of February, ridership stood at 7.78 lakh, nearly 80,000 fewer passengers compared to 8.58 lakh the previous Tuesday. Monday, the 10th of Feb, also saw a dip, 8.2 lakh, down by 50,000 from the week before, and the slide continued. On Wednesday, the 11th of this month, ridership fell to 7.62 lakh, a drop of over 1 lakh from 8.67 lakh the previous week. And on Thursday, the numbers slipped further, 7.51 lakh, down by 1.13 lakh compared to the same day last week. Even on Friday, viewers, the trend held. Ridership at 7.63 lakh, falling over 1 lakh short of the previous Friday's 8.7 lakh. For 3 straight days, Bengaluru Metro has lost over 1 lakh passengers daily.